So I've always wanted to buy a dash cam. Like I'm sure everybody driving around, you see random crap and you just wish you had proof of what happened, or some way to share stupid stuff that you've seen. But I've never pulled the trigger and bought one. Last night was the 5th year of owning my Dodge Challenger, so I finally pulled the trigger on a dash cam. Looked through a whole bunch of stuff, different models and brands and stuff, and I picked this one out. It's the Vantrue Nexus 5. I think N5 is what they call it. This is a 4 camera setup. You got the front one, that one faces out over your hood, another one faces into the cabin, and you got the rear one that looks out, behind you, and then back into another one back into the cabin. So yeah, 4 views. Yeah. I also, this was $3.99 I think on Amazon. When I bought it, they had an $80 coupon. You could, buy it, and it takes $80 off. So with that savings, I went ahead and bought the Vantrue hardwire kit for Dashcam. That'll be handy. It has the ability to, if it detects motion on the vehicle, impact or anything, it'll start recording or whatever. Yeah, I also got an SD card because it takes up to 512 gigabytes. Hopefully that's enough. So Vantrue sells like a 512 gigabyte one, but it's like $90 or something stupid like that. So yeah, we will go ahead and get the unboxing started. So here's the front. As you can see, Vantrue Nexus 5. Here's the front camera and the back camera. On the side, underneath the shrink wrap, you do have kind of a quality control. Peel this and it breaks the seal. Sides, Nexus 5. Here's serial number or something, I don't know. Download their app, etc. And on the back, they've got details. Wonderful details. Front, 1944p plus 1080p plus 1080p rear cabin and 1080p rear. So like I said, four cameras. This is what the inside facing, inside looks like. You've got the inside camera, and then you can pull up the different camera views on it. And then they've got the app. So let's pop this open. Yeah, I've been wanting one of these for years and years and years. I always see people on fail videos, especially in Russia. There's a lot of people in Russia with dash cams. So yeah, let's go ahead and peel this open. Maybe. And slide it top off. Maybe. It's very snug. I do like the orange on white aesthetic. It's kind of clean looking. Even have a little orange button. Any day now. Good grief. Very snug. So yeah, like I said, it does come with a cigarette lighter to power it, but I wanted the hardwiring kit for, not just the always on capability, but also just a cleaner install. I hate seeing cords dangling everywhere. So activate warranty, 18 months, etc. Other side shows their apps. You can download it from your crapple iPhone App Store crap, and then your Google Play Store. All right, so first up, here is the inside, the main unit itself. So it's got some heft to it. All right, so this is the outside facing camera. I'm gonna leave the lens cover on right now. It does have a mount that attaches here, and that actually adheres to the window, the windshield. And then on the back, you've got the screen and the interior facing camera. Under that, you have some little commands and stuff. I think up, down, menu. I think on the menu itself, this is like the OK button or something. But I'll take this one off. Man, that is really on there. Good grief. So yeah, this is you are able to swivel this. So if you have a really high, mounted up high, you can swivel it down to get a better view. That way you're not, half your vision, your angle's not taken up by the roof of your car. I think here's where you connect the back camera, which you run it through, and it, you route it up through your ceiling. And so this is the rear camera. So let's see. It does have this little, I guess I gotta, okay. So here's one, and then here's the other one. I'm guessing that this is the outside facing camera and this is the inside facing camera, since it actually has the 3M mounting. But just to be sure, it does have this adhered to it so you don't screw up, you don't install it upside down. So you do want it with the power cable coming out this side. So yeah, these are both rotatable, so that's nice. So you can make sure you get the right angle. So yeah, that's pretty neat. I'm gonna leave these on. And here, I believe just the accessories with like the cables, the charging, the cigarette lighter. Move that over for a second. So, okay, here's the mount for the main unit. As you can see, it's sort of, it hooks onto the unit here. And then I believe it's got another pad or something that attaches. Here's the cigarette lighter, which I don't know why I'm bothering to open it, because I'm not going to use it. Yeah, it does have a pass-through, so I mean you can charge your phone or something with it, I guess. But yeah, I don't want this tracking through my vehicle, my car, so will not be using that. Here's a little Vantrue spudger, sort of to push the cables up into the trim. And here is the main unit. You got some these to attach the main unit. It does come with all of these little kind of to hold the wires in place as you're pushing them through the vehicle. So yeah, that's nice that they have those. Move that mess over a little bit. Try not to lose it all. Move that over. Under here, you've got the actual cables that you'll route between the camera, between the two cameras and stuff. I'm not going to bother opening that. Here is the instruction, quick user guide. Very quick. Yeah. Got a microfiber cloth, some adhesion promoter, more. Get these two little things for adhering the cameras. Share and win, so you can share all this and I don't know, maybe win some accessories and some nice little gaudy signs. Oh, that's cool. So all the ones that I saw came with English and like Chinese, but I'm guessing this is German. So that's kind of interesting that there's different variations. But yeah, it's really cool that this is on here, but I'm obviously not going to put these on my car. I like more subtlety. So yeah, I cannot wait to get this installed. I'm not going to bother unboxing the hardwire kit. It's literally just a bunch of cables and fuse taps and all that. So the main unit, let me see, figure out how this works. On one of the sides is where you put the SD card. I'm not quite sure how. Oh, here we go. So you pull that up, and it's got the SD card slot. All these little, it's got little buttons that this works with. So yeah, it is magnetized as well. That's kind of cool. So yeah, you can have this there and have all your views, and I guess reach up really quick, or even use voice commands to say record that or take a photo. Yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching. I will probably do an update on when I get this bad boy installed. And yeah, that's about it.